different. Some days are easy, and some days require a little extra help. That is where breast pumps play an important role, supporting mothers, protecting milk supply, and making feeding more flexible for the whole family. In today's video, we explore how breast pumps work, why they matter, and how you can use them safely and confidently. Safety pin. Get comfortable. Sit in a relaxed position. You can massage your breast gently to stimulate flow. Step 4. Position the shield. Place the breast shield around your nipple. It should feel snug but not painful. Step 5. Start pumping. If using a manual pump, squeeze the handle slowly. If using an electric pump, start with low suction and increase gradually. Step 6. Pump for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's look at the most common reasons mothers decide to use a pump. To feed the baby when the mother is away. To save extra milk for later. To ease breast pain from engorgement.